Take a look. Can you see it? Even if you don't understand it, it's within you. It is nature that holds the solution to improve our world, unveiling its potential to transform every tiny molecule into a drop of life. That is our commitment. We are the leading European company in the international market, extracting flavonoids and transforming them into different solutions for food and beverages, dietary supplements, animal wellness and nutrition, and pharmaceuticals. We study the details, crafting the right formula to advance towards a better future. We transform to improve people, animals, improve our world.